Hey guys, today, let's learn how to change notification sound in your iPhone. So if you'd like to go ahead and change the notification sound in whatever application on your device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to basically go ahead and scroll down to our notification settings. So what you have over here is, of course, I want you to go and proceed first to your settings and tap on your notifications right here and choose the specific application that you would like to go ahead and change the sound of. Let's choose. For example, you would like to go ahead and change the notifications of maybe your business suit. You do need to have this turned on, and I would like to do is to go ahead and just tap on the sounds or the notification sounds, which is gonna be located somewhere over here. But in the case that you cannot see that option, only because that your notifications on here is not enabled to easily send you any sound. So let's choose one more. As you see, we have this option over on our notification sound. So let's tap on sounds. We could actually choose a lot of different sounds from here. We have our default sounds and a lot of different sounds as well. That is a built-in onto our device. You could also choose sounds to purchase on the Apple Store and on the Tone Store. But if you'd like to go ahead and basically create, let's say, a custom sound in your device, well, the most that we can actually do is just download some sounds over on the App Store and change the sounds on the built-in sounds over here on our notification sounds. You could also tap on the classic option to see some of these classic sounds available to us. But that's basically it. That's the most we can do on this option. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys were in something, and I'll see you guys on the next one.